Hunks Dave out here from North Colorado. Collab!
Oh, catch me ballin' like I'm Mike J. Need $100,000, I told them more, I walk away. 100 with me and they shooters like they in the paint. Do it for my city, feeling like I'm Mike J. Oh, catch me ballin' like I'm Mike J. 100,000 on.
All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. And welcome to what is going to be an absolutely epic day up here at Winter Park. It's already going to be an amazing day, I know, because there is just snow absolutely everywhere. It's almost New Year's. Hopefully everyone had a great Christmas this last weekend, but today is going to be absolutely epic because the Front Range of Colorado just got absolutely pounded with snow these last 24 hours. And it seems like Winter Park is no different. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. There's just white caked in every single tree. Even though it's midweek, a lot of people I think had the same idea that we did because traffic coming up I-70 and then actually the parking lot itself at Winter Park is absolutely nuts. I've actually never seen the line of cars go back as far as it's been here at Winter Park this morning. But we're so ready for the day. Got a couple buddies driving with Savannah and I today. So let's enjoy it, you guys. Let's go. Guys, today is already looking like it's going to be an absolutely amazing day. One thing, we got all this fresh snow, but then Sunnyside is open, the lift that I just got off, and also they just announced for today that they're going to open the Panorama lift. So all this new snow and then a bunch of new terrain to ride off is making it seem like we're going to have a hell of a day. There's definitely a lot of crowds out today. But I mean, it's holiday weekend, you got New Year's tomorrow, and no surprise everybody wants to come out and enjoy all these fresh turns, especially for the holiday. But this is so nice. Haven't ridden over here all year. Woo! Almost got buried in there. Oh baby. It's supposed to be a warm-up lap, but can't say no when you see all this. Hey. The weather right now too is just a little overcast. It's supposed to open up and be a little sunny later on in the morning. Hopefully it comes out, but 5 degrees, and it doesn't seem too chilly. The wind isn't terrible. Definitely a packed house today, though, and for good reason. Oh yeah, there's Pano, and she's busy. I don't know. I might go back up on Sunnyside for a few more laps till it tapers off. But either way, let's have a day.
When they see us at the bar, yeah, it's on us. This is how we roll. So if I got you, you got me. We'll turn this night to a fantasy. All this love that can turn to green. We gon' spend it right. Yeah. Like a second time, take my you in the way. My only words tomorrow, feel my age. Grab a seat, baby, tell me what you want to drink. Tonight it's all on me. Oh yeah, it's all on me. Oh yeah, yeah, we gon' get right. Yeah, we gon' get
All right, gang, so we've been having an awesome morning so far. The wife and I and the buddies actually stopped up at the Lunchbox Cafe, went to the bathroom really quick, and there's just so many people up here right now. Like, it's actually incredible how it's like later in the week and there's still this many people up here on the slopes. It's honestly really nice to see this many people, but thank God Panorama and Sunnyside are actually open on the Mary Jane side, because I feel like it would just be like warfare riding down these slopes right now with a bunch of other people on the front side of Mary Jane. But I think we got pretty warmed up. We're gonna try to beat some of the crowds and go back on the slopes, but either way, this is an absolute epic day. I don't think, honestly, I've ever ridden in this much snow, especially here in Colorado. I know that's like hard to think about or even like say because I've been out here for 5 years, but this is definitely an all-time day here for me at Mary Jane. Alright, so we just did a couple more runs off of the Sunnyside Express, and the snow is not letting up. Like, this morning we looked at the weather and it's supposed to be actually like a bluebird day this afternoon, but it is not letting up whatsoever. So we're gonna do a couple more runs off of Panorama and then call it a day, but this has been an epic day with good buddies, good friends, free refills. But we get back to the mountain, roll that beautiful slow-mo footage.
Need 100 grand, I told them more, walk away. 100 with me and they shooters like they in the paint. Do it for my city, feeling like I'm Mike J. Oh, catch me ballin' like I'm Mike J. Need 100 grand, I told them more, walk away. 100 with me and they shooters like they in the paint. Do it for my city, feeling like I'm Mike J.
All right, everybody, just got back to the house. Had an awesome day up at Winter Park with my buddies and the wife, and wouldn't trade today for anything in the world. Maybe a snowblower though, because we only cleared one half of the driveway this morning so that I could get out and drive up the mountain, and the other half is actually still covered, and along with our walkway to the entrance of the house. So I'm pretty much gonna be taking the rest of the afternoon today to shovel our sidewalk, front of the driveway and everything here, but it was so worth it. But like I was saying to you guys, for the conditions that we had today at Winter Park, they were some of the best I've ever seen here in Colorado. And I know, I mean, there's probably a ton of you right now that are thinking, oh, I've seen better, I've skied or snowboarding better. Well, not me. That was probably the best day of skiing in the deepest powder that I've ever ridden in. But I better wrap this video up for you guys, because I know if I keep talking, I'm probably gonna talk myself out of doing any of this snow plowing right now. So just wanna thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you in a boot. We'll see you guys in the next one.